Hey everybody, it's Bobby Deen here with another quick, simple recipe for you that I really think that you and your family are going to love. Spring and summertime are right here upon us. Thank you, hallelujah, finally. And people are beginning to grill and smoke and barbecue and cook all their favorite meats, and nothing goes with all of those things like a good old-fashioned potato salad. Now here's a version that I hope you're going to like, because I really do. It's got one of my favorite ingredients, and I could eat olives till the cows come home. You've probably never seen a potato salad that has Kalamata olives and pimentas in it, so today is your lucky day. Now, if you don't like olives, sorry, but stick with me and watch this anyway, because it's a very interesting recipe. Now, I've told you all over the years many times that my daddy, God rest his soul, Jimmy Deen, I thought made just the best potato salad in the world. And it's funny how your food from your parents has that effect on you, and you grow up loving, whatever you get used to. But my dad used to cook the potatoes on the stove in a big, really big, tall pot, and then he would just make it warm right there on the stovetop, and he would just use eggs and mayonnaise and salt and pepper. And really, that was just it. Maybe a little bit of sour cream, but it didn't have any filler in it. So there was no celery or anything like that. And it was so simple, but just so good. It's funny, your parents, food. All right, we're gonna start with, we got a couple of pounds of red potatoes. They've already been cooked and they're cubed and they're ready to go. So this recipe is gonna be really just, we're just gonna mix it all together. So we're gonna start with mayonnaise. We got a cup of mayonnaise here to make the base. Also, corn on the cob. Ooh, that's another great thing for all your favorite summertime recipes. You got your gardens going. I've got my garden going at home. We've got some good fresh parsley growing. We got tomatoes. We got all the things that we really like in our summer garden coming up. Bell peppers. All that good stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna whisk together some lemon juice, mayonnaise, and salt and pepper. And whisk, whisk, whisk. And you could do this one of two ways. You could either go ahead and put this into your bowl and then mix everything into it. But I think what I'm going to do is put my potatoes in first, and I'll put my dressing right over the top of the potatoes. So that's well combined. And if you've got a pot like this, you're lucky. A pan like this. I don't even know what that is. It's not quite a bowl. This looks old as Methuselah, though. I mean, I think Moses might have used that. But it's big and roomy, perfect for potato salad. So in go our potatoes. We'll add to that our dressing. Mayonnaise, salt, pepper, lemon juice. That's a good combination. And if you wanted to add a little sour cream to make it even creamier, you could. And if you have an aversion to mayonnaise, Greek yogurt will substitute, depending on what you're like. My wife has an aversion to mayonnaise, so this wouldn't fly for her. That's all right. My kids and I would eat every bit of it. And make sure we get all of our dressing there that we made. Okay, and again, we're going to talk about folding. I don't want to tear these potatoes up, so I'm using a rubber spatula. I don't want to turn it into cream potatoes. I want it to stay potato salad. So we'll just fold all this together. And I think, you know what? I think I would serve this right out of this beautiful old container. This thing's been around a long time. So now that I've got our dressing and potatoes mixed together, that already looks good just the way it is to me. I'm gonna go ahead and add to that some pimentos. Kalamata olives. Oh boy, yes sir. Wonderful. Some more folding action. A little pop of red is beautiful and sort of unexpected. Great, and we'll give it a little bit more color by adding some chopped parsley. I've got some good fresh parsley right here. Get a handful of it. About a 1/4 cup of parsley to a 1/2 cup is what you're looking for. You can avoid the stems if you like, but in the name of time, T-I-M-E, I might leave these stems in there. All right. Give that just a good rough cut. Parsley. Smells so fresh and delicious. Easy to grow too. I've told y'all, but I've got an arrow garden at my house that sits on the countertop. So for those, for the off months or for just for convenience, we've got a garden out in our backyard too that's wonderful. And a nice worm bed out there too, connected to it. But for indoor, it's nice to have just a little arrow garden on your countertop, and you can grow fresh parsley and basil. And I've got some Thai basil growing right on my countertop that's so wonderful. Mint. Just beautiful. It's the little things, you know. You could add to this, we already did the lemon juice. That's going to give it a nice little zest. Lemon juice works in so many recipes. Just to give things a little zip. Give it that little extra, what is that, you know? Just what is that? That's so good. That looks like a great potato salad. And I think when I bowl this up, let's bowl it up. We'll plate it up, rather. I think when I plate this up for my guests, or for myself. Oof, that's tempting. I think that what I would do is just give a little extra. Just right on top. And you could squeeze a little bit of extra lemon juice on that if you wanted to. And you could also hit it with just another touch of just black pepper. And that is not your average everyday potato salad right there. That is spectacular. That's got a little something extra. So you're welcome from me to you. Hope you love it.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.